This video will show you how to log in to Infinite Campus if you have forgotten your password. First, go to our district website, www.harrelson.k12.ga.us. Then click on the IC icon. Choose Campus Parent. Choose Forgot Password. Then enter your username and submit. You will receive an email with a link to create a new password. Enter your new password. Make sure you watch for the password strength to be 100. And then click Submit. Once you do that, go back to your login. Type in your username and the password you just created and log in. You are now logged in to Infinite Campus.